Today we're going to clean this mower deck. As all people who have mowers know, the grass builds up on the bottom of these, and if it gets bad enough, it can impact the ability to mow the grass properly. So you want to know about this so you can keep your mower deck clean easily. So we're going to start out with a couple of things. The Grass Hawk, which is the product for cleaning the deck. It has two different blades on it, and you can see it here. See the straight sharp one that's radius, that helps you get through stuff that's hard. Then this is a scraper blade, and you can just rotate this, and let me get that out of there. You can just rotate it like that and scrape. And you and I know from years of scraping things, sometimes it's better to scrape than it is to push the blade through. Other times it's better to use the blade to push through it. So this gives you both, depending on what you're up against. I'm going to use the radius-sharpened blade to start with, because this is pretty hard grass that's built up on here. And then when we're done, here's the secret to reducing your labor to keep your mower deck clean. This is designed to keep the mower deck, once it applied to your deck, it keeps the grass, or very much reduces the grass being stuck in the mower deck. So you'll love this after you've used it. Be sure and get a can and give it a try. You'll be amazed at how it works. Okay, with that, I'm going to start right here. I don't know about you, but I don't like doing this. So if I can find a product that'll reduce my time spent doing this job, I'll be thrilled. And that's just what this product is about. So let's get on with it, and I'll get this labor out of the way. In some places, neither one of these blades may reach. I keep the traditional tools, but in the little cracks, sometimes it's better to jam a screwdriver in there and break it loose than it is to try to do it with the edge of a putty knife. See how hard that is? It's amazing how hard that is. And you'll notice that when you're cleaning your deck, every mower is different. But sometimes the manufacturer has run fasteners through the deck, like in this case, to hold this assembly here. And so you want to be aware of that and minimize running your scraper blade into that. So you don't want to do what I've been doing. Just try to minimize that. It'll just keep the edge sharper longer. Look how it pops off the really thin, hard layer that I couldn't get with the scraper this way, the other blade. So whoever designed this really zeroed in on what's needed. Okay. Get to that tougher stuff, you can just flip the blade around that easy and just keep right on going. Don't need these. I'm amazed at how it gets in there in this really hard, caked up, dry grass. And allows you to get in there and scrape it out. Okay, I'm going to try it one more, and then I'm going to use the scraper. You just kind of keep trying it one way and then the other, see which one works best for the particular job you're doing. Man, this scraper works great. Much better than I thought it was going to work. As you will see, the instructions are on the can as a pictorial. You spray this on, and then you let it set for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you come back and spray it again, and then you're done. Put your mower back together and start using it. If you miss a spot, when I sprayed this on it, I could see that, so I just quickly knock it off so that I get it down to the bare metal as much as possible. And there's really no technique other than just pushing the button and applying it to the mower. Really easy. I missed a little bit there, so I want to be sure and get it knocked down so this can absorb in. It doesn't hurt if you scrape after you've applied it. Just reapply it after you've scraped, and everything's normal, fine, no problem. Just that simple. Oh, I missed another spot here. There. Popped off easy. Now I just touch it up. Okay, we're back, and the mower deck is ready for its second coat of clean machine. Okay, here we go. And that's it. That's simple.